Hi, my name is Dr. Michael Garver, and here is some good wisdom and advice for final exam week. Stay calm, stay focused. When your mind is frantic, you can't do a good job of studying, and you surely can't take a good exam when your mind is frantic. So stay calm, stay focused. Write out your notes. When you read over your notes, you look and go, oh, hey, that makes sense. Yeah, it should make sense through your notes. But when you write out your notes, it cements it in your brain. The research is out there. Check it out. It's a much better way to study and prepare. Preparation equals confidence. The more confidence you have, the better you're going to do on your exams. And how do we get more confidence? We prepare more. Control the controllables. Hey, a lot of things during final exam week that's beyond your control. Don't worry about it. Focus on those things that you can control. Study time, preparation, getting enough sleep, good diet, rest and relax, all that kind of stuff.